Dread refers to a feeling of fear or anxiety about something that is about to happen. It can also describe a strong sense of unease or worry. When you feel dread, you're anticipating something in the future that causes you discomfort, fear, or nervousness. Simple meaning: dread equals a strong feeling of fear or worry about something that is going to happen. Common uses. Dread noun: the fear or anxiety of something that is coming. Example: she felt a sense of dread before the big exam. Dread verb: to fear or feel anxious about something happening in the future. Example: he dreads going to the dentist. Dread noun: figurative: an intense feeling of worry or unease about an event. Example: the thought of moving to a new city filled him with dread. Examples in daily use. The idea of speaking in public filled her with dread. He dreaded the thought of starting a new job. The storm is coming, and we all feel a sense of dread. The news of the project delay caused dread among the team. She dreaded the moment when the meeting would begin. Real-life explanation. When you feel dread, it's usually because you're worried about something bad or uncomfortable that is about to happen. It's more than just regular nervousness. Dread involves a deeper sense of fear or anticipation of something unpleasant.